This is so nice. You want to take a picture?
And he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Oboto. I don't know if this video is gonna come up. Okay now. Your girl is under the weather. Can you hear my voice? My voice is not voicing. It's like I need to go and buy ginger and the rest. Maybe in the evening. Ginger, lemon, and garlic. I think that's what I will drink. Maybe to clear my voice. My voice don't come out though. So guys, I am on my way to go and buy something. I had to pack madam. Yes, you guys can see herself. I don't know. Anyway, hi. This flu, this flu has flew myself, has flew my mind. My nose is blocked, my throat is bad. I don't know if you guys can hear me, and enjoy the crooked voice of Jessica. Yeah. So let me just go buy something and I'll be right back. I think I want to do some herbal tea for the throat. So no sure. Let me see my bag. So let's go. It's hot. What shall I say? Jesus Christ. Sanu? Hey. Afternoon, no. Guys, I just came back. I think Mama has slept. Oh, she's not sleeping. I thought she had slept. Kai, I'm tired, I am so tired. I want to drink cold water, but I can't drink cold water because of my voice. Hey, this Vlogmas. Sickness entered the Vlogmas, so I'm so tired, like exhausted. But as we have it now, as a mother, you can't be tired. You have to gather all your strength, the little strength you have, and do your motherly job. Who say you may not get house help? So I'm not going to get house help from my house. I'm going to help me to do this. Just make I do it by myself. The Lord is my strength among us. Just to all the mothers that's doing it by themselves without any help. Just to us. We are doing enough. It's like Mama don't sleep. What did I say? She's not sleeping. This is why you're snoring like this, Mama. It's her. Are you tired? What did you do that you're tired? See this one. She said, do I said that she waka. Did you waka anywhere? Are you too tied up in the back? Huh? You drink water? She did do like say she do anything. Don't be person waiting for back. Person where they enjoy for back. She did do in fact. Let me show you guys what I got, Sha. I just got a few things. I want to do like a concussion for my throat. Maybe hopefully it will bring back my voice. I think I need to get honey. I'll go downstairs to our supermarket. There's a supermarket in our estate. I'll go there and go and get honey. Oh, you'll not kill my neck with a lot of money for honey. Yeah, but I need honey for this. So I'll take you guys along, Sha. So today is just like a day in my life, Sha. Nothing too much, nothing too serious. Sick day in my life. Yeah, that's what I should name this. A sick day. Vlogmas. I don't know this Vlogmas. It is a sick day in my life. And sorry guys, today is hold on. Sorry. I want to check my watch. Anyway. 12th of December, and no vlog today, guys. Sorry. This is okay. So this is just me telling you guys there's no vlog because I am sick and I am sick.
Bye, Mama. Bye.
Yeah, you're in Mama's back. Yes. Excuse me, guys. I am sick today. My voice can't carry anything now. My hair channel yourself. I didn't upload video yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. I didn't upload video yesterday because
It's happy. It's my kid.
I didn't upload video on my hair channel because girl is
my kid.
Because your girl is tired. Now me, I give me kata from teeth to kata. Oh, they carry all those things. I carry. She they do mama and kata start. Give me the what's this? Okay, this is the ginger. Ginger. It's ginger. Ginger. Away, China. It's carrot. This is carrot. It's a carrot. Carrot. Give me a bag. This is what I got. This is orange. Yeah. So this is ginger, garlic and lemon. I'm going to boil this and drink the water. It helps for flu and the rest. This is my carrot. I want to do spag. This is tomato. Madam, shift, you will fall down. This is tomato. Mona chisom. I'm cooking here. Dunga. Biko. Dunga. This is the color. Orange. This is onions. And here is plantain. I got a few plantain. I'll go to market. I'll go to market and I'll do a market vlog. I was supposed to go to the mall today, but people can disappoint shower. The person was supposed to come because I did not come again, so I was just home. It's my mannequin. I was just home, so let me use this opportunity to make food. I want to make food for Olga as well, and I'll make food for me and Madam. Don't eat that carrot too. Okay, so let's start today's vlog. Okay, if you're new, hi, welcome to our space. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. Please guys, hope you can hear me. If you cannot hear me at all, please wear earpiece. I beg. I cannot shout. Even if I shout more, the more I shout, the more my throat hurts. Okay guys, so let's go.
Bright star atop a lighted tree, all wrapped up underneath, gifts in every shape and size.
Hey, this is what it looks like.
Mama,
See honey, so I had to buy brown sugar. I don't see honey, but I think honey is better for this. Not I think honey is better for this because that's what I used the last time. But as my estate no can get honey, let me use brown sugar. So and I'll drink it. I look like someone that her husband has left. Oh.
Mama,
This is bitter. Like, yeah, it's really, really bitter. Okay. Alright. See you guys when I finish cooking.
Toys aren't the only reason we celebrate the season. Christmas morning comes, opening our eyes. Gift beneath the stars so bright. Little faces beaming with delight, filled with awe and wonder at the sight. Gift beneath the stars so bright, bright star.
So guys, this is what my sauce looks like. Anyway, I keep my spoon. So when I finish cooking my own dinner and cooking hubby's dinner, I will take baby girl, we'll go and stroll, and maybe we'll check if my estate they start putting up their Christmas lights. If they start putting up their Christmas light, I'll show you guys little clips about it, and that I'll call it a day, just to take fresh air. Thank God, it is still aching me, but I know with time it will pass. I hope my voice, you guys can hear me more clearly now. Hopefully the voice is coming up, but I think that's my concussion. I'll take it for 3 days and my voice will come back more sharper. Anyway guys, so please keep on watching. I'll show you guys how I make the cream sauce, and I'm already boiling water for pasta. Then I'll just do the cream sauce, is sharp stuff, but I'll make the cream sauce after I finish eating. I need to go to the salon. Look how I look like someone that her husband has abandoned, and go to meet a side chick. Okay love, so I'll see you guys later, eh? Keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment if you watch to this extent. Thank you so much. Like, I really do appreciate. Thank you. Love you guys from my heart, from the depth of my heart. Love you guys so much. Alright, let's keep on vlogging this Vlogmas. We'll go there, alright. I know we'll go there, alright. Guys, I totally forgot that I was filming. In here is chicken, onions, garlic and paprika, salt and finish, and black pepper. So I'm just going to put the cooking cream inside, and that's it. I think we'll be using like this one.
Beckon from the east, all wrapped up underneath God's gift of love and light. A babe who would change the world for every man and woman, boy and girl, shining through the darkest night.
So guys, I am done. This thing was given to me by my mother-in-law. I decided to put it on the table. So I'm done.
Mama,
Yes.
so it's right.
Okay. Okay, you've arranged it. Thank you for arranging it for me. So I'm done cooking. I'm tired, but I want to still go and take some fresh air. I want to soak this thing after I wash it, maybe tomorrow. I'll leave it to soak till tomorrow. So everywhere looks clean. Madam did not finish her food as usual. They don't know that cooking takes time. So I will just change my outfit and change baby girl's outfit. Then we'll go to look for lights and take fresh air. And that will be the end of the vlog. So guys, this is the next day. So we saw some lights and I decided to take you guys along. Yesterday I was tired, I could not go anywhere, so I'll take you guys to see all the whole lights we saw on this day. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So I'll be putting music along the way. Sorry, my voice is not yet in 100% light we saw, and hubby also joined us in the strolling as well. So I'll just be taking you guys all along in the estate to show you guys all the Christmas that we saw.
It's cold outside and everyone's happy. This is that magic time of the year. Toys for girls and boys and festive friends who gather near around the fire. They all retire, can't wait for Santa to soon be here. The city streets are blinking and glowing, a type of peace that everyone knows. Hearts so filled with glee, each family will share their
all the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Guys, this is so beautiful. I know I showed this before, but this snowman was not there. Like, can you imagine? Are you for real? This is so nice. You want me to take a picture?